Didn't actually check. Poopy. Alright, let's get into this. Where are we? Oh, I should probably open up stream chat on my phone. It'll be easier than navigating back and forth. Okay. Alright, chat open. Is there anything like start of stream? Nah, okay. We good, we good, we good. You want to be able to flick through this, and this. Okay. Grass Blob, hello. Welcome. A unique stream? Well, I mean, maybe a little. Just a little. I figured I may as well hang out. I haven't streamed in a little while. I want to get into. We'll definitely do the PMD stream tomorrow, like for sure. 100% find a way to get that in. In the meantime, we'll do this. Maybe do a little something later, like once we finish with this, because this shouldn't take like the whole night. Take like an hour tops, and then maybe we can do something for another hour. We'll see what happens though. So yes, it is homework. This stuff in particular is web design. So database. The overarching courses on databases is part of my maths course. So it's like it's not something I'm like particularly taking up, but that's what it's going to link into. So this one is for collecting information through online forms. So that's a thing. So I'm just learning what everything does, because the thing is, as the math students, we didn't get an introductory course to like HTML and stuff. So we're kind of just thrown into the deep end, and then like, well, you know, code, and then they're like, okay. So it's like, we're doing our best. Baba is not imposter. Hello, boo. I would take that Baba's not the imposter. I would hope not. But, you know. Always have to be watching your back. Oh, wait. You get descriptions for hovering over stuff? Oh. Huh. Div element has no special meaning. It represents its children. It can be used with the class laying and title attributes to mark up semantics common to a group of consecutive elements. What does markups mean? Huh. Well, it's always nice to have you here to hang out. So right, okay, so I did these first too. Oh, these shouldn't be any different, right? Oh, I suppose. Okay. Yeah, got your Smash Bros. Copy back. Very nice, very nice. So I think next. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, hi there. What's up? That's what I thought. Your mic exploded? Question mark? Oh dear, he's not responding, guys.
Hang on, me.
Oh, there you are.
What's
Hello.
up? I wasn't listening, sorry.
I said, what's up to you?
Nothing too much, I guess. I have
Nice.
68 clears at the Emerald, and I really want the 69th to be like in an actual run.
We get 69 lions. That's the question.
No, I'm gonna say a hard no on that.
Are you sure? Oh no, reset! Wait, you're going to bed now? Dang, okay. I should have started earlier, but I couldn't because busy still. Why does busy have to be that?
What you doing tomorrow after 3?
Me?
Yeah.
After 3 I've still got classes on.
What about after the classes and before like 11 o'clock at night? Oh, for us.
What's the difference
10:30,
again? I
I
forgot the time zones.
Is it half hour? Did you have daylight savings? Yeah, you did. It's 11:30.
I'm 10:30.
Oh, is it an hour?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, you're on a half hour? No. What?
No, we're 11:30. I thought it was half hour.
Since when are you half hour?
Never mind, I'm thinking of Brisbane, aren't I?
I'm half hour.
The-
You're not half hour.
Yeah, no, that's what I mean. You're half hour behind us, right? You were? I don't know.
Wait, so you're 11 right now?
No, we're 11:30. I feel like there was a half hour thing though going on. at
No,
one point.
because you're not half hour. What? No, you've never been
Never
half
mind.
hour.
I
Check your time zone
Alright.
right now. There's no. Australia doesn't have a plus 11:30, right? Only 11.
I thought Adelaide
Or
was 11:30.
No, we're 10:30.
10:30, sorry.
Wait,
Hang
so
on.
what are you? You said you're 11:30.
Yeah, we're 11:30.
Oh, you mean your current time?
Yep.
Oh, I meant plus
What's your
UTC
current
plus
time, Yoshi?
UTC offset. No, it's 11 here.
Right. That's where the half hour comes from.
That's what I
God damn
meant.
it.
I was confused because I was like, wait, how are you plus? No, because my offset's plus 10:30 right now. Wow, okay, it was that close.
And
Okay,
well, plus 11, I guess.
plus 11, yeah. Okay, thank you. It makes more sense.
Alright.
Okay,
What are we doing?
hold on a moment. Chat says stuff. You have work tomorrow early, free up all tomorrow up to midnight. Yo, Blob, thank you for the bit. Can stream and do his homework and give him a beautiful working out. Thank you. I appreciate it. Think you can voice chat be empty without him? Yeah, often is. Okay, so before 11:30. Oh, I'll
like,
be back.
bully
Then.
me?
Bully? What? Why?
VC's empty without him?
No, we're just saying that he's usually very
Mhm,
conversational.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, imagine taking it personally when you're a bully.
Why do you think I bully Yoshi?
You feel targeted.
Exactly. I have to
Yeah.
like shift the blame to other people. Or
Of
not the blame, the
course.
hate.
See, and this is why I'm a psychologist. Not
Aren't
yet.
you just doing maths? at the moment?
I was thinking of going into psychology, but I think
Yeah,
I'm
I
going to
remember.
take a course later on it.
Yep.
Oh, you got
Hang on, I
classes
need to
soon?
mute for 2 seconds. I'm
Good
gonna
luck.
like choke.
You're gonna. Oh boy, that's fun. So my classes end at 6. Get home at like 6:30ish or 6:45, depending on if the bus is deciding to be funny. Then what?
Alright, I think I'm good.
Then I might have other stuff to do as well before I get to work. Although, to be fair, if Prac 1 is taking this long, then tomorrow, because I have a Prac class tomorrow as well, which is for Prac 2, so it's like, if it's gonna take just as long, then maybe I will have to do homework stream again. Because usually I feel sad sometimes. Yes. Sadness. It's okay. We can make you happy.
Inject with dopamine.
There you go. See, we have all the solutions.
Straight to the brain.
Do I have a closing div for this one? No, I don't, do I? Oh, I don't have a closing div for that one either. Wow, okay, no wonder.
Is this Visual Studio or...
Yes,
VS
this is
Code?
Visual Studio.
Alright, I have a follow-up question. Why?
Because they told us to.
Alright. I guess Blue Jay is also a thing.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's more for Java. It's like the one that Yuan says to DID, Yuan says to use for Java. It's
I see.
absolutely horrible.
That's fun. Don't you love horrible stuff?
I feel like Visual Studio is a little overkill for basic HTML class though.
Well, can't help it. Line 21. Form requires end tag. Did I not end tag? Oh, hold on, line 21. What do you mean end tag? Oh, form requires an end one. Oh, okay, I need to like put a... Wait, that's right at the end, so that would be after all the. Oh wait, I haven't. Is this not what this is? What do you mean end tag? End tag is missing matching the start tag. Missing matching.
It's just something with 33 going wrong for you.
Oh,
and
it's
giving you a
33?
whole bunch of
Okay.
errors.
Number
33's definitely
33.
got a.
Oh, it's just because I'm not done with that yet. Oh my gosh, please. Okay,
Yep.
whatever. I'll close it for now. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. But it's this one. Missing matching the start. 36, 38. So this slash div. Oh, did I already slash div these ones? Oh, I'm losing track. How do you keep track of
Right.
these things?
So what you do is every time you open something, you close it. Like as soon as you do it, and then fill in the gaps.
I see. I think they even autofill it, but maybe like I accidentally did extra ones because I
Yeah.
like didn't remember.
I would not be surprised if it does extra things.
What is this? This is web design, I guess. Dark mode, you don't need an ID for Bootstrap. That's what Reason says.
Yeah.
Oh well. Head to bed now, love you too. Thanks for popping in. Have a good night, sleep well.
I've been doing all my Python coding lately in Notepad++ still. Not even an idea.
It's fine.
Notepad++ is so good though. I love it. And I'm gonna get lots of hate in your chat for that probably. It's
If
very
anyone
controversial
even
issue.
knows what's going on, it's fine. I'm sure you'll be fine. So,
I prefer Emacs over Vim. I use tabs, not spaces. Looks like Yoshi uses tabs as well.
I like to tab. Using spaces just feels wrong.
That's controversial.
I know. Aren't you meant to use spaces in Python too?
No, you can. As long as you mix and match in Python, it's fine.
Oh,
Pick-
I thought like you're meant to space, but I've always been tabbing because I don't really. I don't want. So okay.
Anyone who says spaces is better, it's just wrong.
Yeah, there you go. All right, cool, good. Sounds good to me.
I'm gonna bed. Continues talking in chat.
I heckin' love all of you more. Ha, I win. Where was I? Okay, yes. So I was just trying to close this div. So this div is closed, this div is closed, and then this div is closed. Okay, cool. So I'm finished with this section. Oh, if only I could like just mark it as finished section. Alright, so
You can probably just like minus sign on the left to minimize it.
oh, yo. Wow, I can't believe modern technology has features.
I know, right? I don't love Notepad++ that much. I just use it a lot.
Oh my gosh, that's actually genius. I can't believe it. That's perfection.
I am super old.
Hi, Rising. Okay, so my next thing is div class, and then I was going to, oh yeah, I was copy pasting stuff, right? Because it's easier to do that.
You're a software developer already.
Okay, so this form group column MD6, is that saying it'll, I don't know what the MD is. I
have
get
no
that
idea.
sixes
look
of
that up.
like, there's 6 columns, right? Because I know my thing is like 12 columns wide or something. Is that the default? I don't remember. It was specified somewhere. And so this is col MD6, and I'm like, is it like, so it goes 6 columns across, but is it saying 6 from the middle? Because then how come like you can use it in the first and the second one? Like what the heck? They end up side by side, but I don't understand how that works. But can I like copy this and use this as well? Because then I can just set it to like, as long as I'm not form rowing it, like it's not going in a row, so it should be able to exist on its own. Question mark. It is
Sure.
Mark.
Yoshi, my expertise was to gather penis style pictures because I thought we were doing a standard assignment.
Oh, I think I got it. Nice. I appreciate the willingness to contribute. Of course.
Like, Gavin's just way better at this than me.
Fair enough.
Like he actually knows stuff, whereas I have to go look stuff up.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's okay. You don't have to be good at everything.
Implying I'm good at anything.
Hey, you can play Death.
I'm okay though.
You can play.
I actually
it.
like mentioned that to Gavin today.
Oh.
Like the only thing where I actually stand a chance of
This is
getting
Death.
number 1 on a leaderboard anyone actually cares about is Death Series.
Nice. Mule deal
Because no
from
one actually cares
McDonald's.
that much about Secret Grade.
Yeah,
And
fair
I
enough.
have no chance of like getting the 510 or whatever's going to be required soon.
No, yeah, they're
for
stupid.
Normal Death.
They're
And
stupid.
I'm not fast enough to crack that 740 yet in Master.
Well, maybe you can just like, I don't know, invisible Secret Grade or something.
Such
Easy.
niche mode.
Easy.
I thought about suggesting the MHL, like
Mhm.
Invis play, just for another leaderboard idea. Invis TI for leaderboard.
Alright. That's not a good idea. Classification title. Yeah, I want McDonald Mule Deal. Make a duty. Wow, Grass be bullying today. What's going on? This is not normal. So class form control. I still have no idea what's going on here. ID is. Oh no, I shouldn't put the placeholder. Will be this. Placeholder follows the same, yeah? Okay, placeholder follows the same. And then this one can go here. So, we're gonna try and run this. You wanna hug? Sure. Sure. I closed my chat on my phone by accident. Oops. It's just so easy to accidentally click on something else and it just opens it. It's like, yes. There you go. Alright. Yes, I know. Please. I know the build started already. Please just let me open it. Thank you. It's offset. Why is it offset? Grrr. What? But isn't it like oh, okay. So it's actually, the box is not as big either. Okay, interesting. They didn't change the number, did I? It's like a little bit smaller. Is it only that size because no, I don't see why it'd be smaller. Dear class equals form group call MD6. I see nothing different. Classes form row. And offset is an offset. We need 10 there for that. Oh, this div 20 line 21's form does not. Yeah, I don't get that. Is that end of form? End tag is missing matching start tag for 38 as well. What's 38?
Where's the div end above where your mouse currently is associated with?
Line 37?
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure that out right now.
Try commenting it out and seeing what happens.
Is that this? Is this how you comment?
I have
No,
no
wait,
idea how
hold
you
on.
meant to comment in our
No,
HTML.
me neither.
Just delete it.
Ah, yes, okay. Oh, maybe
can
it's
undo.
freaking out because of that. Oh. Well, I'm just gonna pretend we never saw that.
I haven't seen it yet. I'll get a screenshot for you.
Thank you very much. Hello, Atsuma. You think Tisby Poggers? Maybe.
So what am I meant to be getting a screenshot of? Is it that there's no errors or?
Did you? It was just that random div. It was screwing with the program
Yeah,
because it was an
cool.
extra one.
Cool. Yeah.
Good job. See, this is why you're a genius.
Yep, because I can look at tags.
Apparently. In Mother 3 Music, it was Mother 3 Music. Very good. Okay, so I don't. Maybe that was also messing with the output. Let me have a look at the output again. Alright.
Oh, I didn't send you pictures yesterday, did I?
Pictures?
Day before. Yeah, yesterday and the day before. I make croissants.
Oh, I saw them in the chat. They look really nice.
Oh, hang on. Did I post them in chat?
You send them in the chat, so.
Cool. Yeah,
they
were pretty good.
They looked good. Wait a minute. Why is there inconsistent capitalization in the example? What the heck? I'm fixing it on mine. I do not like this. Go away. Let me fix this right now. Hold on. Given names. I'm not standing by this. This is repulsive. There you go. I want to fix this. There you go. Get bored of it? No. I will not. Okay, so why is it that this doesn't extend out as much as like these ones? That's my question. Does it have to be form row? I don't know. Maybe it has to be form row for it to like make it a full row first, and then you have to be like, oh, you make it 6 wide or something first. I don't know. I don't get it.
Imagine a 6 wide meta.
6 wide meta. Nice. Oh, slash div. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Alright, let's try this. Shouldn't there be a space between the in the display text of family names and design consistency wise? I haven't seen sites before which don't separate the words. Hold on, I'll have a look at hey, it worked. I'm guessing because setting a column, I'm setting it as I don't know why that row makes it like 12 wide though. Like, is that a default thing? Form row, yeah, because it's row instead of like just form. What is the default? What's the other thing? Form group. Form group, form check. I don't know what all these are. What the heck? Hold on, let me have a look though. Oh, you're right. I don't know why I had them not separated. I think it's because I copied from this one. Yeah. So the actual, like, the output should be family name, but the ID and stuff can't have spaces. Cool. Thank you for the catch. I did not see that one, even though I saw the capitalization thing. Now, even when Among Us dies, sure, he can just be there forever. The crewmate in me never dies. The example doesn't separate them. The example also doesn't separate. Are you kidding me? This is what kind of example is this? Yeah. Oh wait, no, it does, doesn't it? Family name. I think it does, right? Yeah. I think I'm just being bad. Anyway, so it's the same for these two, so I can just copy paste for these two as well. Oh, this one's different. This one fills out the whole row. Wonder if I need to specify that then. Alright, well, let's copy paste the next one. Div class form row. Oh, hold on. I want all that indentation too, please. Okay, up to the no, this div as well. Oh, my output is the example. Oops. What? No, boo. That doesn't even make sense. No way. Phone? No. Wait, no. Here's one thing in the example though, grass. Phone number, classification or title. That doesn't sound right to me. I think it's proof that they copy pasted it. You can tell. I like that a lot. That's actually really funny. So, phone? No. Okay, that's what they want me to call it. Phone? No. No. Placeholder is phone number, sure. Okay, so now I have to see if it's gonna form row, except instead of, I don't know what this number actually does. Does this change the width of it? Like how many columns it's taking up? Let me see this. Let me see. Let's test it. What if it's 2? Right after no, it makes more sense. No gets used for shortening number. It does. I should add it. I should add a dot. If I'm gonna change capitalization and stuff, then I should probably change stuff to make it look the way that I want it to. Because it's nice. Alright, hello. So if I make it 2... Oh, it does change. So that is the box size. Okay, gotcha. I wonder if I actually even need to specify a length here. If it's gonna take up the whole row, do I need to specify form group? Let's try to keep it out. Then we can like shift tab this and to get rid of that div. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's try and run this. Boo bully. Phone, nope. No phone. Sorry.
Have you got another random div there?
I did for a moment. It's okay, I fixed it.
Cool.
Always a random div. Don't you love random divs? Oh, hey, yeah, okay. So it does just default take up the whole row if you don't specify the... Okay, so this is like subclassing it, I guess. It's saying this is like the initial... It's a row, but then here we're saying it takes up 6 columns. I don't know. I'm guessing. Okay, in that case, I've actually got the output as they want it for the first few. Now we have to do checkboxes. Alright. Let's find out how to do checkboxes. Oh, this one. It's the one under submit. Div class form check input type checkbox. Label class. Form check label. For example, check 1. Check me out. So this is saying there's a checkbox. It's checking the import of the form, I guess. It's the ID for it. And you have to attach a label to it directly as well, I guess. Interesting. I don't really get it. Oh, you can just do them separately. Okay. I think. As long as you row them. So first you have to set up a row, I guess? Wait, hold on. What about the question? How do you just display the question above it? Is that just another... maybe it's just another title? Hold on. Is there anything down here? Checkboxes. Default checkbox, disabled checkbox. Bullying out of love, of course. Oh, this is how you do them in line. I think that was what the example wanted, right? Hold on. Where is it? They do want it in line. Okay, so that's useful as well. Okay. Oh, okay, no, this is the label here. So you make it a form group, and then you set up the rest of the stuff. Okay, gotcha. I think I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, so we set up a div class form group. Okay, I think that's what's going on here. This gets messy so quickly. Hold on, we're gonna get rid of this. Why is the div sticking out for that one? Oh, look, that's for form row. Okay, so this form row, gonna get rid of, and that, and this one, and this one. Okay, gotcha. So, next one. Tsugi. What is the same indentation? Same indentation, okay. Div class equals form row. Okay. Oh no, sorry, it's form group. This one's group. Oops, that's group. That is not how you spell group. There you go. Then you set up a label. So this is label for. I don't know what this for does. I think that's naming it.
Yeah, that's naming it.
Ah, so it's like as.
Hang on. Was that in class? I am slightly delayed.
It's div class is form group and then label for.
Hang on. I have no idea what for is.
I'm guessing it's as, like similar to as in like SQL, where you're saying that giving it a name. I guess that's the only thing I could think of. Label for equals this. I'm like, okay. Hold on. What are we labeling? What is this gonna be for? This one is for relationship. Okay, fair enough. Label for this. And then the label is describe your relationship to the applicant. How do you bold it? I wonder how you bold it.
As in bold text?
Yeah.
Probably. I'm totally blanking on it.
Oh wow.
It's just a B tag. God damn it.
It's a B tag. I wonder which one, because they've got a few here. There's BTN warning, BTN success, M2 ML2. I have no idea what any of this garbage means. Help me. Okay, so wait, we're still gonna make this a label, and we'll figure out how to describe your relationship to the applicant. I don't remember where you even put that. I'd assume it's inside the label for, and then after that you put the stuff. Hello, 10. Yes, right? It's funny like that. Do you have Minecraft music when you play this? I should probably get some on. That would be nice. Okay, so that's a label. So we set up the label, and then after this you set up the checkboxes. But we want them inline, so we have to follow this example here. Div class. Hold on. Okay. So this here. So the class is form check inline. Why is it form check and form check inline? Wait, what's form check in the first place? Oh, okay. Okay, so for both import types and improves the layout and behavior of the HTML elements. Okay, gotcha. So we do this. Input blah. Oh, hold on. Option 1, div inline Really though, these are still on separate, like, they've got their separate divs and everything though. That's weird. How does the thing know that they're in line with each other though? Or is it like, stop when you don't have inline anymore? I don't know, that's weird. I don't like that. Okay, let's just copy one though and work from there. Hello, cold. Pretty cold. Welcome, welcome. Disc 11 and 13 on there. Noted, noted. Let's see here. Wait, hold on. So we're just taking from this. We're using div class, form check inline. Input class is form check, input label, type checker. So these are all the same, right? Okay, so let's have a look and see, break this down. The input is, oh, so the type of input is a form check. So that's the check mark. Oh, the checkbox rather. Type is checkbox. Wait, hold on. What if we didn't? Oh. I'm guessing checkbox type just goes under the class check input though. I guess. Are 11 and 13 the funny noises ones? Are they the spooky ones? I don't remember. The ID is, oh yeah. ID is supervisor. Check. Value is, so is option 1 the, hold on. So value is, oh hold on, no, what's value then? I don't like this. Unless that's actually just a, hold on a moment. Value is none for these ones. What is value? Value. What does it explain to us what value is? Oh, is that if you're setting up like a default input? Because that's what goes here. No, that's just email at exam. .com. Okay, so value is just like stronger than default tags. They're the creepy ones. I see. Value is not. Why is it? Wait, but they have a like the thing here. Like default checkbox is the. What is the value here? Option 1, option 2. What does this do? I don't get it. I'll keep them in for now, but I guess I'll have to ask the tutors tomorrow.
You mean Gavin?
Or him, if he gets back to me fast. Maybe I'll just ping him and he can answer it when he wakes up or something.
Yep, he won't be asleep yet. He's still on Discord. He's still busy.
Fair enough. Yeah, okay, I just need to know what this value does.
And before he's still in chat, it's like after personally attacked.
Oh, I should comment more stuff. You know what? I could just leave spaces and then comment them. That'll just break everything up really nicely. Because I was scared of like just leaving stuff in between. But I'm like, you know what? Wait, hold on. How does commenting work again? This blah blah blah. Ah, there we go. Okay. So this is for checkboxes. Okay, I'll re-comment those afterwards. Why is this here? There we go. Wait. That comments everything. Wait, what happened here? Oh, gotcha. Oh, interesting. Okay, so if I put one exclamation mark, it only comments this, but if I put an exclamation mark here, then it comments... Oh, that comments literally everything else underneath. Okay, never mind. I'll figure that out eventually. Let's see here. input, label, for oh, so you could just use the same name for the ID here as the for. Okay. Supervisor check. And then this will be supervisor. Okay, let's try run that. See what happens. Oh. Heck. Okay, so that's on the same line as this one though. So that didn't work exactly right. And one is not like spaced either. So I might have to figure that one out.
Was it our value we were looking at earlier?
Yes.
Value's just whatever text you want there.
Wait, what? Hold on. Let me check again. What's the output here? Let's see. Okay.
The person I was chatting to stopped messaging for a bit, so I actually looked at docs.
Fair. Okay, so here's the thing though, with a checkbox, like the checkbox does not have text in it. How does that even work?
I am still waiting for the stream to catch up so I can actually see output.
This is weird.
I guess not.
Because like a checkbox shouldn't have like text in it anyway, which is why I'm confused. Like, it's weird. Encoding lag. Hope there's not too much. It's weird. I'll have to figure out how to get them like not in line though when I don't want them to be. I did do a new div class form group for it. Why doesn't it like split it up? Hold on. So div class form.
Yeah, you should be able to
right
just
here.
leave value empty, I think.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. It was empty in some other
For the
ones.
checkbox.
Yeah, I see. Interesting. Is this form check inline like overriding this form group? So I don't. Or should it not be inline with that one, and then in the next ones we do it inline? Bleh. Form check. Okay. Let's just. No, I don't know. Let me just try and do another one and see if it does anything. Okay, so. Oh wait, we don't want label in it. We don't want label. We want options here. So let me just comment options. Okay. So this one is label. Okay, this is looking a bit more readable. Want a space there. Okay, so this one and div. Okay, so this class form check dot inline maybe. Oh no, hold on, form check inline. There we go. This class form check input checkbox. This one is not supervisor check. This one is, what is the other stuff? Current and previous. So let's do current here. For current check. And this is current. Okay, so this should produce something. We'll see. Okay, yeah. Oh, if I flick back to OBS, then you get a bit of a chunk of encoding lag. Okay, fair. So this is still doing its thing. What is this? Not quite. So supervisor and current didn't end up in line with each other. Supervisor split off from... Wait, so this caused the split, but this didn't. Hold on, what's going on here? Oh, is it trying to group with the previous thing? Oh, but I thought inline would be trying to group. Oh my gosh, I don't get it. Okay. Wait, so groups in between these, which maybe means that it's trying to group with the previous one. So then, maybe what I should be doing here is... No, but this... Ah! Okay. Okay. Oh, that is tabbed. Oops. Maybe if I do form group here, then form check inline for this one. Will that work? I can hope. Oh. Whoops, I've got an extra div because I removed the other thing. Yeah, okay, gotcha. Oh my gosh, that's a disaster. Let's not do it like that. Okay. So okay, what if I just form check that one? Maybe we can do inline for the next one. Oh, but the example said form check inline was used for both of them. We'll see what this is. Okay, so that did that. Now if I do form check inline for this... Wait, I didn't inline for that one. Wait, what happened here? Ah, okay, it's here. Form check inline. How do I separate the label? Because I assume this is just going to show up on the same line. Okay, so this shows up on the same line as this one, but I want this one to be separated from this, and this also to be separated from that. Maybe I can just do form row, after all. So let's form row here. So that should be in the same length, right? And then here we slash divot. Okay, let's try this. Okay. I've got to move this comment as well afterwards. Okay, let's see. That did not. Oh, that's even worse now. Okay, fair enough. Nope. That is not functioning. Wait, which div? This one. Okay. So, maybe the other documentation has an example for us. No. Nope. How do we set the label up? Form group, label, input type. Ay. Margin bottom, but it picks up all the additional styles. Wait, is that different from what I used? Hold on, was it this one? No, I don't remember how I even... Oh my gosh, I don't remember how I did anything. Save me.
I am not Gavin. If I could, I would.
Death.
When we do a latex stream, I'll be that.
Yes. That will be very good.
Or a lineage stream. I think I can even see my lineage textbook from here.
Oh my goodness. I don't get it. How do you set up the label? So this one, you make a form row, you label it, and then you set the input type. But like, how does that... Why does it work?
Magic.
Of course. What could I have been thinking? Oh yeah, Andy. The whole process? I mean, there's not much we can say here though. Like, it's just syntax. Hold on. Checkbox. Hold on. HTML checkbox with label. Input type checkbox. Clickable label. Okay, let's just look at this. Oh, like this. Okay. Div input type. Oh, do you just make it... Wait. What's this P thing? What does P mean? Because that looks right.
It's kind of like a mini div.
Oh. Is that all I need?
I don't know, what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to do this. Oh wait, there's even a line here. I did not realize there was a line there. That's also used for space. I don't remember how to do a line. They taught us how to do a line specifically. I remember that. It was in a lecture. I don't remember.
As in like a horizontal line, or?
Yeah, literally just horizontal line. It's a faint one too. I don't know if that matters.
HR.
HR. Is that so? Okay, let's try and do that then.
Just an open tag by the looks of it.
What is it? What am I trying to do? Horizontal line. Horizontal line. Okay. And then from this we get HR. Is it literally just that? Hold on, why is there a slash now? It automatically put that there, which implies like I need it? Question mark.
You don't need it according to W3 schools, but it's probably not gonna hurt.
Okay, let me just see what happens without it. Hello, Lehman Master. P for paragraph. Ah. Of course. How come the rest split itself nicely though? Is it just because these div form row sets it up so that it's like... Okay, never mind. This automatically splits it. So, if you put a line, then yeah, of course it's gonna split it. Okay. They just wanted us to put a line there. I guess. That's nice. Okay, so I need to make sure that this title is in line differently from these, although I guess I can paragraph space that then, I guess. Cross. Wonderful. What nice thoughts. Okay, so wait, where do I put them? Where do I put that? I put that... Oh, I can just... So I don't even need to put it as a label. Interesting though. Why wouldn't I... It feels like I'd still need to put that as a label though.
Your indenting bothers me.
My indenting? Why?
Because your div above where that HR is.
Oh, you're right. Hold on, let me fix this. Thank you. Oh my gosh, literally everything got indented weirdly. What? How did this happen?
I don't know. That was probably when you deleted the div earlier.
Oh yeah. Yeah, okay, 100% that's just messed up. Alright, let me... Hold on.
Hang on, does that convert tabs to spaces? Is that what I just saw happen?
Tabs to space...
When you were backspacing on that HR.
Oh yeah, that was spacing. It was stupid. I did not like it. Hold on. It's the former that I'm closing. Okay. Okay, so wait. Horizontal line.
I like the injection type things.
What is this?
In your chat.
Script alert. What does this even mean?
Alert to pop up.
Nice, I like it. Brackets could be used to explain something in regards to scripting. Wait, which brackets? I have no idea what's going on anymore.
It's a little thing you use on your stream to show the chat. It's blocking anything with a bracket in it. It's censoring it. But Twitch chat does not.
Oh. Wait. What? What does it do? It just doesn't
Replaces
exist.
it with stars.
Oh, wait, with stars. That's weird. Huh. I see. Very strange. Okay, wait, hold on. Where am I? So I was doing... I guess... The thing is, if it's already showing up on a new line, do I need to set it as its own paragraph thing? Hold on.
Yeah, set it as its own paragraph. Because it's showing up on a new line on your particular browser.
Gotcha.
Not guaranteed for anything else. Whereas setting it as its own paragraph will guarantee that's...
Fair enough. So wait. So this should just be... Instead of the... Oh, wait, not that one. I don't need to set it as a label then, huh? We don't even need it to be a label. It's just... P... Wait, hold on. No. I'll do this. I'll do this. Boom. We don't need the label anymore. Put that there. And then... How to bold it?
Just a B. That should be
After the
sufficient.
P?
Around whatever text you want.
Wait.
That's in your chat super interesting.
B. Wait.
So if you would have bold that particular sentence inside the... not as in its own tag.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, got it. Oh, so this is all just singular letters are just little formatting things, hey? You got paragraph, you got bold, you got... I don't know what else. HR, horizontal. Why is that HR? Why is it not HR?
Horizontal.
Yeah, but why not L for line?
I'm sure rule was used back in the day when HTML is being developed.
I guess.
I guess
Test.
tech is HLang though.
Test. Guys, you're gonna like glitch to Twitch chat and you're gonna like.
No,
clip
Twitch
through.
chat's fine. It's just your chat.
I guess. You're gonna clip through it though. Hold on, so this. So it does show up, but the spacing's weird. In the output, it looks closer, and I assume that's because it is set to the label for this, right? Which is my question, like, can I set it to the label and not have it in line with the rest of them? Still. That confuses me. Hotmail. Nice. So, yeah, I assume this is because this is set as a label to the tech boxes, but again, I don't get it. I mean, I guess this is a solution. Is that a problem? Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, we can close this form though. For now, that's something. Wait, is this slightly out of line with the rest of them? It is. Why? Why is that slightly out of line? Whatever. You know what? I quit. I'm just gonna be with space.
So the first one showed. I'm still waiting for the second one.
The center one. Are you doing things to my chat?
I'm experimenting with your thing. Oh, so first one doesn't get censored. Second one does get censored.
What? What the heck? It must be something on Streamlabs side. But I would have no clue what. I don't know why they're censoring it. That's like, I don't think I've ever seen anything censored on my actual, like, the chat window. It's weird.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Okay, so we're going to...
I wonder what else it filters.
We're gonna keep that for now, I guess. Oh wait, there was a couple other things to have. Previous and others, please specify. So this will be the same thing. Here. Wait, here. Actually, you know, I can just copy both of them because there's two of them, so I can just double it. Wow, I know maths.
Dude,
Crazy.
you're still doing arithmetic.
You're right, you're right.
This stream just ends up being how to get elevated privileges using Twitch chat.
Nice. Wait, no, I want checking that one. Just previous. And this one is other, please specify. Okay, I think that's all I need to change, right? Okay, cool. So let's try this. Seeing this show up in my phone's chat is very interesting. Inspect element. The pro strat, to be honest. Okay, so that shows up fine. Again, the spacing is weird, so I'm gonna have to check that out. But otherwise, it's pretty good. And then this one is we just make another box. Oh, so then again we can use this input text. I can close that as well. So this one is... What is form control, actually? That's one thing I'm not sure on. So ID... Other.
We're having fun. That's what we're doing.
Of course. Isn't that the point of being in a stream? Maybe. Maybe not.
I never have fun when I stream.
That's what I thought.
I streamed the other day. When did I stream?
You
2 days ago?
actually streamed?
Yeah.
No way. Oh, we don't need
It
to play
went
something.
terribly.
What do you mean terribly? What happened?
Nothing. That's why it went terribly. Like, nothing happened. I had 1 M and it went bad.
Were you doing like your full practice session? Or what?
No, I was like doing real attempts.
Ah, actual times. I see. Fair. At least you made an
Then-
effort.
Yeah. Then today's attempts also went bad. I got 1 M again.
Oh, sad.
And I think I got maybe 4 lines in the M roll.
At least you're trying.
I started the practice session today,
Mhm.
like nailing it. I got 4 clears, I think, in 10 minutes.
Oh,
So I was like, I'm gonna do real attempts.
and then
And yeah,
it just doesn't happen.
I think it was a super close S9 as well.
I see. That's very sad. Oh my gosh, grass. Okay, so apparently this also doesn't. So this one is spaced too much, and this one is not spaced enough. Help! I'm close with both of these. Is it just some div thing? Can I just like div this, and it will like? Can I? Hold on. I can, right? There's no reason I can't. Does that actually do? Is that what gives it the spacing? I don't actually know what div is doing this whole time. I just know it's grouping stuff.
Yeah, just grouping stuff basically. There's probably a little bit of pattern around it as well.
Yeah, let's see. So Dynamite texture with these models smash. Nice. I like it. That's the spirit. Nope, it doesn't actually provide spacing. In that case, I don't know what to do.
Are you after more space or less space?
More space.
Probably like pattern equals something.
Maybe. It feels wrong still. I feel like it should still be attached to... Maybe I can just put it inside the div for... No, because then it will show up inline, and I don't want a text box inline with... That would be very bad. Literally the microskin PG, I appreciate that a lot. Okay, so...
Yeah, what you're after is just padding. PADDING equals some number of pixels, I guess,
Fair enough.
in the div.
If worst comes to worst, I can do that. But right now, it just... Everything feels like we haven't gotten to the point where we have to be that specific with things, and they're like automatic things. So I'm like...
It's not the P, is it?
Yeah, wait. Could you decrease with the P?
What do you mean decrease?
Decrease spacing with P.
Yeah, I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, decrease spacing with P.
What do you mean by decrease spacing?
Between describe your relationship to the applicant and the actual input boxes. Because the thing is, in the example, it's not... The reason I had it as a label in the first place is because I figured it's a label to the checkboxes below it. But then I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing, so we tried the whole paragraph thing, and it shows up fine. Like, the spacing's... There is a space, but the space is too large now, so I figured if I can set it as a label to these checkboxes, it'll automatically space, but I don't know how to do that without it being in line with the checkboxes.
Right. You could always try a P. What's the worst that happens? You change it back.
Try what now?
You can try it with the P, see what happens.
Oh, I mean, I did do it with the P. I'll show you
Oh.
what it does. I'll show you. How do you... Yes, press this. You want to use it to customize my mods. That's so cool. That's so cool. Of course they would do that though. I love it. Literally just insert the models in. Incredible. Alright, so yeah. So here's my 2 problems with spacing right now. Describe your relationship and the checkboxes, and then the checkboxes with the blank field. That's meant to be like used farther, but like there's meant to be more space. And here's the example output as well. So the spacing here is smaller, spacing here is larger.
Yeah.
And this one looks the same as this, so that's fine. I can do that. In the meantime, I'll add some comments into where I wanted to. Wait.
Yeah, I don't know.
A mystery. Or maybe
Kick me in bed so I don't ruin my sleep schedule.
honestly,
Okay.
fair enough.
Awesome.
Well, thanks for hanging out.
I will be around tomorrow when someone's here to actually help you.
If I'm gonna be doing this, maybe I'll
Yeah,
like
yeah.
save it for like Friday or something.
Yeah.
We'll see. Alright, well, you have a good night.
You too. Good luck.
Thank you. I'm gonna need it.
Bye, chat.
Bye bye. I don't get it. Hmm. Basic details. So this one's, what is it? What are these called? Text boxes. I think I'll do the same as this one though. Copy this over. End of form elements. Space this, put this here. This one is by applicant, etc. Text box. And this is one where you're setting more rows to it, I think. Is this like, or is it setting a limit to? No, I don't know. Hold on, no. Let's try it. So that opens label, closes label. Maybe I can just put like B here. And then here we're putting, please confirm the held by the applicant and the duties required. Position duties. Placeholder is so there's just a bunch of like copying down. Subject list answering. Oh, hold on. Telephones. Receiving cash. Record management and general inquiries. Inquiries, there we go. Nice. Let's try this. I will not finish this tonight. There's still like, if we have a look at the example, this is like, it looks like the end of the form, but then there's like all of this stuff, and I'm like, ugh. I mean, this stuff is just formatting, hey? Like, just basic formatting. Like, I guess there's like a bullet point thing. We can do this inline. This is just inline stuff, and then a text box straight after. So that's actually easy. This stuff is easy. It's just knowing how to format this. So this shouldn't take long. It's just a lot of copying. If only they provided us with the actual... Oh, actually, I think there is an example in the website with the all the text that you need. So you can just copy and paste that. Probably. Maybe. Alright, let's see. Please confirm the position held by the... Oh. Well, we're gonna need to make this text box larger, yes. But... the actual... Oh, there's no spacing. Hold on. Did I not div? No, div doesn't matter if I div it? How come these are able to space with each other? Like... how come they can do stuff? I don't get it. Heck. What to do. Okay, hold on, let's have a look back here. So this goes class form row, div class form row, div class form group. What is this doing exactly? Forming a group with the stuff here, yeah? But you don't need to group this stuff and yeah, it shows up correctly. Right? Yeah. What's going on here? This will be off a new line. Yeah. Again, I could like probably do some manual spacing with this and this, right? But I just wonder like how would you otherwise? Like there must be some auto spacing thing, right? Similar to this. Like I don't get how the spacing works here. I just don't understand that. Like what's the difference here? Nothing? Question mark? Oh, is this because there's no div here? Wait, one the div classes, yeah. Yeah, I'm wondering now, actually. Because this input type here, now that I think about it, this input type doesn't have any div associated with it, yeah? So, I'm guessing. Because I didn't div this one. Class equals, I don't know. Form row? I don't know. Let's just play around with them. Oh, did it automatically? Wait, no, this one. Form row. Just we want the closing one here. Okay, thank you. Wait. Yes, text other. And then maybe that actually separates this and this and this. Maybe, I don't know. Shooting into the dark. Let's try this again. No, no spacing here. Unfortunate. See, and label again. Label automatically spaces between the label and the input, so that's good. But I don't know why there's spacing then between the input and this. There shouldn't be, right? Class equals form row div. No, I don't get it. Help. What are the div class? No, we have form row. That's the only one I've been using. I should probably look into like what other form div classes. Div classes. Form group. Wait, okay, so we got so there's form group stuff vertically. Is that what's going on? Hold on. Did I form group here at all? Form. Oh, hold on. We form group the inside of this. Hold on, what's this? Oh, actually. Maybe within the form row we should form group. Let me try that. Div class form group. Close div here. Copy that over, or cut it over. Take that back. Okay. Maybe the grouping is gonna work. If we group this together, maybe it'll work. Like that's then that means all we have to do is group the stuff above too, right? Oh, that totally makes sense, because then it just holds everything together. Oh, nicely. Nope, there is no spacing. I don't get how it spaces itself. So we can just remove this because this was just like a guess, and I don't want to like mess anything up because of it. Hello there. How do I, you know what, shift tab. I don't need to highlight everything to shift tab. That would be silly. Anime, hello! Yoshi streamer will actually be able to understand what's going on. You're gonna understand more than me. 100%. If you understand any of this, I'm sure you can understand more, because I only just started. Only using Bootstrap classes to style the page you're working on, or can you use CSS? I believe we're just working with Bootstrap at the moment. Honestly, I have no idea what's going on. I'm a maths student. I got thrown into this IT stuff, and I'm like, I don't get this. So here's my problem at the moment. Just maybe if I give you an overview, then you can like explain to me or anything. I don't know. So here's the example output, right? So it's got we did the horizontal line, and then we're here it's saying describe your relationship to the applicant. Yeah, that's fine. There's a space between the horizontal line and this, right? But then there's a space between this and the checkbox options. My issue is that the only way to separate those was to use the paragraph thingy to like space that, but then it gives an awkward gap. So my assumption that what they want us to do is make this thing a label. for the checkboxes, right? But when I make it for a label for the checkboxes, it ends up being in line with the checkboxes as well. So I'm like, how do I not make it in line? So my shoddy solution right now, which I want to fix, is use paragraph. And then this one here is just the fact that like I need a space between this and please confirm blah blah. So that's my thing. Because this is the example here. So you can see that the space here, space here, space here. Oh wait, no, the space here is... Wait, it's all three spaces, is it? This one, and this one. Okay, I've got 3 spaces to deal with. Wrap the entire group of checkboxes in a label. Oh, really? Would that? Okay, I can try that. I'd be very confused about why that would work, but because I thought it'd be labeling just such. Okay, well I can try. Oh, hold on, that's the wrong one. That is correct. That's fine. Describe your relationship to the applicant. So should we set this as label again? Label. Go into here, label this. So we're labeling all of this, I guess. Hold on. What's the error? Div cannot be nested inside label. Okay. Yeah, fair enough. So let's just Control Z that. And if we put label here, hold on, I don't remember what happened here. Maybe label is gonna work. Right click on an element and click inspect element, you'll be able to see the styles that are applied to it. Within my own, or within the example, because the example is just a picture in the Word document. But if you mean here, so that I can specifically, where's it, inspect? Yeah. Wait, yeah. So this ends up being in line with this, with the checkboxes, which is not what I want. Okay, so I have no idea how this works. Not in the example, in my own. Wait, can you like manually select stuff? No. Question mark. Why is this not full screen, by the way? That's poopy. Oh, is it here? Oh, it's in here. Why is that small? In the example too? Hold on. Okay, let's look through this. So this... Can you like expand it? I don't see like a thingy coming up so I can expand this. What is going on? I'm so confused. Wait, okay, so please confirm. How's that skip by so much? Ah, okay, so yeah, that one's fine. See, it's between this and this, like oh wait, is that space? Is there meant to be a space? I don't remember. Yeah, there is meant to be a small space between that and that. But I don't know how to have a space be there. Between these two. Like, do I have to use a different div for it? Oh, hold on. In the example 2, you can use that to figure out where it's coming from. Hold on, let me open that then. Eek. It's getting late. I should head off soon. Maybe in like the next 10 minutes. We'll see if we can figure out the spacing thing, and that would solve everything. Because then that's literally all I need for the first section, right? Yeah, if I get the spacing done, then I'm finished with this. And then tomorrow I can finish this during the practical and then do prac 2 as homework as well. Ugh. So much to do, so little time. I think your example is just an image. You oh yeah, that's what I was saying. The example's an image on the Word document. Yeah. Otherwise, yeah, I could just see what they did. Copy their code. Yeah, that's a thing. That's a thing. Hold on, did I not? I thought I pressed it. So they do usually release solutions at the end of the week, but again, like if I can just figure this out, or get a bit of help figuring it out beforehand, then that's also cool. So I can just complete the pracs and then look through and see if anything was wonky. Okay, so if we inspect this one. What can I do with this? Elmer's World. La 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 la. Was it la? I don't remember if it was la. Or was it do? Do 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 do. Elmer's World. Whatever. So, wait, is there a way I can expand this? There's no like clicky thing. There's no like arrow thing where it's like you can expand this. Drag the line just above styles, computed, etc. Oh, here! I thought it would be here. Oh, because this is part of this area. Thank you. Thank you, Jay. I appreciate that. That's what I was missing. You know, whatever. Wait, is this just... Oh, I don't really care. Wait, console though. No, it's just... Okay, no, we can close that then. So this is where we can check everything. Yeah. Okay. I got it. Wait, hold on. Wait, where's the in-between stuff? Am I crazy? Oh, here. Okay, so this is fine. So wait, this div does define the space, like, underneath, hey? Right? Is that what's going on? So the previous div also defines a space underneath itself, yeah? Like this div here, class form row, it defines a space beneath it, which means the next one automatically just gets set up here. So does that mean that I need to set up a form row with this? No. It's still showing up inline though. I don't understand. Oh, top left of inspector there's an icon. This one, select an element in the page to inspect it. Whoa. Okay, let's have a look at this first. Hold on, how did I get this section? You know what, let's look at this one. Form row. So this whole div is the form row, yeah? Does this form row come with the spacing underneath then? Because our problem is that this... Where's the div for this? What the heck? Is it because this is not divved properly? I don't... Hold on. Chottomatte. Oh, did we not div this area? These are inline divved, right? Oh, so I just need to div like group these, right? Well, not group. No, because if I div row, then it shows up in the same row. But if I div... Yeah... Like I need to div group this area, right? Hey Rex, what's up? Welcome to the stream. This one I'm gonna fix. I know I have to like make the text box larger, but so I assume though, right? Like this div row automatically sets up a small space. Can I div group this and then have a small space underneath it? Is my question. That's a question mark. Div to wrap the label checkboxes and input. Yeah, okay. So. So can I div can I group this? Hold on, can I just try group? What is it called again? Form group. Group. Oh, class. Sorry. Class. Form group. Okay, right. So try that. And then this div will end at the end of all of this. So that's after the checkboxes and the... Wait, is this... No. Where's my... Wait, was that just the test as well? Oh, this is for the other text box. I don't know if form row did anything though. Oh, let me just try this first. Okay, so if I wrap this in a form group, can it like, I don't know, group it? That's my question. Let's find out. There's a space. Okay, that's progress. There is a space here, which I want, and I like that. That's good. Okay, we did something. So how do I make the label not in line with the checkbox? That's the next question, isn't it? How do I make this? Can I form row it so that it's on its own row? Maybe I can wrap the label in its own row. Whoop. A row. Oh, your checkboxes in a div? My checkboxes are all div inline. They're of the form check, because the checkboxes, and then they're form check inline. So they're in line with each other, but I don't want them to be in line with the thingy. That'll add a space below the label, which I don't think you want. Below the label. Wait, hold on, let me check here. There was like a small space here. That makes enough sense to me. Right? Maybe? Question mark? Hold on. Yes. It'll add like the regular space here. Unless it's like a large space. Oh, it works. Yeah. Wait, and I don't want it. I do want a space after other, hey. Okay, so then I can just wrap that in its own row div. Okay, I think that makes slightly more sense. I don't get why you can't just wrap all of the options in their own inline though, right? Like, I don't get why this inline can't be applied to these. Like, why do you have to inline each individual one? That's weird. Oh well, whatever.
Hello?
Hello.
Are you winning? Are you winning with homework?
Always. Never.
I'm sure you must be having lots of fun.
It's so fun when I don't have any idea what I'm doing.
Well, I have to go be very busy playing OSO, as you can imagine. I wish you the best of luck with writing lots of gross words. Goodbye.
Thank you, bye. Form row, so I can form row with the checkbox here, yeah? Boof. There we go. Get that. Oh. There we go. Hold on. Should this be divved on the same indentation? I don't... no, this one should be back. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. Let's try this. If this finally works, then we figured it out, I guess. And then we're almost there. Like, we're very close at that point. Yeah, I think we did it. Wait, there's no space. Why is there no space between this one and the checkbox? I mean, the text. Is that because this is inline and it's not? Oh, it doesn't make its own. It's because this one's inline, right? And this one's... Oh, can I maybe, like, ungroup it? Maybe I should just ungroup it. And then have the box underneath. It's weird to think about it like that, because it technically is part of this, but it's also technically not. Like... Or is it actually? Because if you... Once you send the data, should it be attached to that, like, option? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Don't know if it should be. Oh well, whatever. For now, I think we can deal with it. The space comes from the class that you're using the divs. Right, right. So it is the form check. So checks automatically don't have a line after them. Is that right? Comes with a label. Wait, there's no label for this one though. Unless we set this as a label for... No, that'd be too confusing. Class form row probably has a margin bottom property. Oh, it must. Yeah, that's what we saw earlier, hey? So... Form check doesn't, then, assumedly. And then inline is just keeping it together. Oh yeah, no, it shouldn't have a space, right? Because if we... Okay, if we look at the documentation, and we look at the example for... Oh, are there no examples for this one? So if you have... Wait... Was it earlier? Oh yeah, here. Checkboxes shouldn't have spaces after them, right? But now I want a space. So... I guess set it up as its own thing. Set it up as its own thing. Don't group it, because if you group it, then it won't row divide it. Right, so take this outside of the form group class, and then that should divide it properly, I guess. Right? So now that this is independent, my main concern was that if this messes with the way that the information is sent, and we're not thinking that far ahead just yet, but like I know that like eventually we're gonna have to send this data, right? So should that be attached to other, or can it be its own thing? Oh, if there's text there in the first place, if it's not null in the first place, then it doesn't matter, hey? Because it's like, if it is null, then you can also assume that there's no other question mark. I don't know. Yeah, let's test this though. I want to see. Here, Arcania, what's up? What did you want to talk about? Bruno, hello. It is indeed coding, which I know nothing about right now, or at least like not much. I'm getting there. I'm like slowly working things out. Okay, let's have a look. No, okay, it did space it correctly, but it didn't space this. Shouldn't it have a bottom space? Is this space too big? No, that looks okay. But there should be a space here. Hold on. Shouldn't row... hold on. Let's try the inspect again. inspect it, look at it. This one. How do I just select the... Wait, where was it here? This one, right? Form row. Wait, so this form group has a space automatically applied to it. Okay, that makes sense. This makes sense. So this one has that like orange space below it. Form row though. Form row doesn't do anything if it's just a text box, it looks like. So how can I give it a space underneath if it doesn't like automatically get applied here? Or maybe I can just form group itself. Can I do that? Wait, hold on. These form rows work because there's a label, is it? Is that the difference here? The form row works differently because there's a label. Whereas with this one it's just a text box, so it doesn't do anything regardless of what you do. I don't know. Yeah, because it creates no space above it, so that means that like we couldn't change anything with this. How can we... Unless we can just set an like a no label. No, that would be weird, because then it will space it even more. Everything's inside a form, it'll be sent correctly when you submit it. Okay, fair enough. How do I space this? How do I space this? Strange. Reply regarding the Puyo Fever 2 boards and I might have to make a forum post about it. Okay, fair enough. If you can't form row with this, what can you do to create a because that does look like a natural space. The thing is, if this was still form grouped with this... Oh, should I just make another form group around this? So this should be its own form group, but this whole section can also be its own form group. Is that too dodgy? Can I do that? maybe that's what I should be doing. So outside of this form group, div class form group, and then and we have this div on the outside of all of this. I guess that would work here. And then we also want to remove this. So admin told me that I was on the wrong page for it. Oh, fair enough. Okay, so if we group all of that, then it should... Okay, yeah. That works. Okay, cool. So you group this thing, group all of this for it to be together, and then you group this along with that, and it'll automatically pad that. Okay, got it. Yeah. Language either coding on YoshiAus only front end? I have no idea. I just know that it's associated with HTML, and it's associated with Bootstrap. Does that help? I don't know what that means. It's Bootstrap for the formatting, right? I think that's what they said. So, wait, actually, do I have everything in place now? Aside from... the final bit. Okay. Okay. Wait, okay, so that's done, and then it's just this, yeah, okay, and we just need to make the text box larger. HTML is the skeleton, Bootstrap is CSS plus JS. That makes it look pretty doof. Really? That's what it is. Bootstrap is CSS plus JS. What do we call that then?
Hello.
Hello? Hello.
How's it going?
It's, I'm living, I guess. Perhaps.
Well, I'm going to set up push to talk real quick. So,
No worries. Speaking of the Discord stuff, what is going on here? Oh, I can join the Discord. Epic. What's in media? This is good. I like this. Commonly referred to as a CSS framework. Ah. There you go. That's the word I've heard. Framework. Yeah, I don't the terminology just yet. I don't even know how any of the code works just yet. It's fine. I just stared at it for a while and I was like, I assume, like, at least this is okay. Like, sort of readable. Like, stuff was worded logically enough that I could kind of get through this. Like, that's currently how I'm learning. I'm literally just looking at it and being like, this looks like it does this. So it's like, okay, great. Thanks. Very nice. Because I wasn't in the introductory course thing or whatever they got introduced to, whatever the IT students got introduced to. So, oh well. Appreciate the help from everybody though. Okay, so this one is the specification for the text box. I don't know if they actually have this here somewhere. Where did they talk about the text boxes in the first place? Input type. Class form control. Oh, wait. Was there any input type just for text talked about here? Text. Input type text. I don't remember how you did spacing, or how you get the like expand the size of the text box. Whoa.
Okay, I'm just testing if it's working.
It is indeed working.
So, not only is the construction work, but I'm also having a very loud person in the room.
Fair enough, that's okay. Gotta do what you gotta do. Doing good, 11 people gets a coding? Aw, thank you. The first semester had us doing Python work. But then this semester, they're like, you have 2 programming courses, and the math students were like, what the heck is this? Because I'm one of the math students. And the other one is still using Python. It's object-oriented programming. But this course is for databases, and so where we've just transferred from using SQL to set up the databases now to the web design stuff for the next, like, was it 4 weeks? Yeah, 4 weeks. So that we can do stuff like this. Oh, yeah. I don't know what's going on here. My Streamlabs, like, I don't know, Streamlabs must be restricting something for some reason. Because it shows up fine in the Twitch chat, but it's not, like, it doesn't cause problems in the Twitch chat, but it does it in the Streamlabs output. I've never seen the Streamlabs output censor anything. Like, it doesn't censor any words that Twitch would censor, which is weird because I don't know why these specific symbols are making it freak out. So I don't know, some sort of Streamlabs thing. Maybe I'll look into it. Maybe I won't. Yeah, so text area that we're looking for is that text area. Can we specify size in here then? Wait, is the type text area or is the would that be class element? is not a valid attribute of type. Okay, so is it type text and class is some sort of... I actually don't know what form control does. I don't know what form control is. I actually never figured that out. I just saw that as one of the text types. Trying to inject malicious code into the Twitch chat, maybe like Streamlabs actually can get affected by that since it's like doing stuff in the background. Oh, it's text area instead of input. Ah. Okay. So, in that case, do we need any of this then? Or is it like has it got its own, like, what is it called? Parameters. What are they called in this? Oh, just elements, right? Elements. Text area. Element represents a multi-line plain text edit control for the element's raw value. The contents of the control represent the control's default value. Okay. What is the issue with it? Element text area requires end tag. Oh! Wakadu master. So it's one of these ones, is it? Oh, so is it its own thing inside of input? Is it its own thing inside of input? So is it the input has text area? Or is it text area? Or is it input inside text area? Is input wrapped around by text area? That's my question. Okay, yeah. There you go. That's my brain. Yo, Arctic, it is HTML indeed. Just use text area instead of input. Oh, okay, fair. What is the syntax for it then? Is it in the documentation here? Text area. Ah, here. Oh, this is validation. I don't know about that. Oh, here. Oh, it's right here. Textual form controls like input, select, and text area stylized with the form control. Okay, so they are stylized form control. Okay. So form control is just a general thing, is it? Example text area. Okay. Label for the text area. Text area class is form control. Yep, okay. Give it an ID and amount of rows. Oh, that's it. That's it. It just requires class ID and rows. Okay, easy. Just need to know what things are called and then I can just look them up. Everything's Googleable. So, it's text area here. Let's slam this at the end. Class form control. Oh, whoops. I need to be putting this at the end of... Wait. This closes it, doesn't it? Unless it's getting closed by something else. Oh, whoops, no. Okay. Open that up. There you go. Cool. Class, ID, position duties, placeholder. I'm assuming placeholder works here the same as like anything else would, yeah? Placeholder that. End text area. Is there usually a space? No. And then rows. Actually, hold on. Let me check what how much it spans. There's a lot of rows. It's one of these like pulley boxes, like like infinite rows. Is there a thing we can do that, or do we just leave it like no row specification for it to be its own? You close the tag. Gotcha. Hello, Erg, by the way. Closing the closing tag means you need to add a right, and that would be this here, wouldn't it? If you leave... this one's always loud.
Yes, I have Lotartic.
Hello.
Whoa, all the people. Welcome.
You're doing my thing.
Your thing.
My thing.
Your thing. Oh, rows means initial size, so it's not like limit size? Is it just... oh, then you can drag down. Okay, gotcha. So it's just initial... ah, I see. So yeah, you can drag down from here. Yeah, I see, I get it. Wow, that makes sense. Nusu, good morning. Hope you're doing well. Alright, gotcha. So we can set the initial size to, what is this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 rows, yeah. Let's make a rows is 5. Hold on, is it labeled the same way as? Yeah, okay. Just rows equal 5, 5. So if we do this now, I think we're actually finished. Well, for today. Let's see, let's see. Because that is only like the top section of this. Although this stuff again doesn't look too bad. It's just, I don't know, maybe the formatting will be a bit screwy again. Okay, I think this actually looks accurate now. Right? Details, blah 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 blah. Line. Where's the line? It's so faint, it's here. Blah blah blah, spacing line, blah blah blah. This groups together correctly. Is lined up correctly, yes. Leaves a space. It's like 5 line default. It's the initial one. Yeah, we did it! So, I think I'll do the second part in class. Oh, this is... Oh wait, this is literally separate. Oh. Oh, they even like... Oh. What? That's why it's... Wait. Oh, I guess they had to like take separate screenshots, eh? I guess that's why. Because they couldn't fit it all in one page. Yeah, because otherwise you'd have to like zoom out so much. Yeah, like this. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Looks pretty neat. You look pretty neat.
Are you enjoying your H?
It's an experience. It's okay. I think I have to say I like my maths more at the moment, so... But this is not bad. It's not eternal suffering. It's okay. Right, so... With that done... Is there anything I need to comment
I
here?
feel like
for myself?
everyone should, like, I feel like everyone should know like the basics of how to make a website. It's so important these days.
Yeah, that does make sense. But I suppose the main thing is like, if you can have someone else do it for you, why would you learn it, sort of thing. It's that mindset, right? That gets passed around? Maybe. That's my assumption.
Well, yeah, some people think that way, but like even if you have someone else doing it for you, it's good to know what it looks like so that you can also, I don't know, it gives you a better understanding of
Yeah, that makes sense.
what it's like.
So you can add your own touches and everything, edit things. It makes sense, it makes sense. I just figured that's why, like, not as many people tackle it. I'd say the same about psychology. Like, year 11, 12 psychology is so useful, but it's one of those things where it's like, it feels like a science, but then people are like, no, it's not a science. And at the same time, it's like up there with, like, homework and usefulness in life. And I'm like, well... Because it's literally teaching people how to think. It's great. I like it. It's good. Or why people think. I feel like HTML and front end in general is like the farthest away you can get from maths when coding. Yeah, I don't know why it's in a math course, but I guess it's sort of like, they're always like, oh, we're going to give you information that you can use in the industry. I'm like, but, like, what am I don't understand what career path has, like, this certain style of, like, IT along with maths. It's like, I don't...
Web design.
Web design? Where does maths come in that? Like, just out of curiosity. Like, legitimately.
If you... Well, okay. Well, in some paths in web design, you certainly wouldn't need it, because most web designers have tools. But, for example, like, if you want to do some of the more clever stuff in web design, a lot of math in your CSS to make, like, cool graphical effects. Like some of the more interesting like effects can make all involve math.
Very interesting. I think the biggest link right now that I'm making based off assumptions is linear algebra is going to be related to computing the most.
linear algebra is very related to graphics. If you want to
Graphics.
do graphics programming, which is hard, by the way, you have to have a very strong grasp on calculus and linear algebra.
So maybe that's the
graphics-
link.
Graphics programming, like the low-level stuff, it's all transformations and matrices. And if you want to do animation, then you also have to lay on top calculus because you're doing a lot of derivatives and antiderivatives.
Oh, that's interesting.
If you want to do physics-based animation.
Right, that's where physics comes into computing. Huh, okay. I guess I'm starting to see it now.
There's also, if you want to get into... There are like a whole bunch of different fields, even in graphics. So if you want to do like rendering, you're going to be working with a lot of the physics for light transport. So you're going to be either simulating light transport, or you're actually going to be implementing ray casting and doing light transport. Like it's all bundled together.
That's cool. Well then, that makes sense. Oh, I guess the overarching course sounds kind of weird though. You have this stuff and databases. Is there a relation there?
Usually, the reason people teach those things together is because when you're making a website, in order to make a useful website, you need a database in order to do anything with it, right? Like, even if you're making like a website for some, I don't know, store or something, right? Like, then you need a database to store your product, or you need a database in order to like take orders. Like if you're making a blog, you're going to use a database to store comments or posts. Like at some point, pretty much every website is going to need a little bit of data storage. So data.
Right, so it's not explicitly linked, but it's more like the math links to the web design, which is linked to the databases, because you need that to back the web development in the first place.
Right.
Okay. Doesn't mean us math students like it. But that's understandable. It's understandable. Because that's really what I'm always asking, right? Like, it's just a why. Because it's important. Because if I'm gonna teach maths, then it's like, I need to tell my students what's going on too. Because if I don't understand it, then they never will. Then what kind of a teacher will I be if that's gonna be the case? Whew. I mean, granted, that's a long way away, but psh, still good to know. Okay. As I was saying, I think with that said and done, I will do this part in tomorrow's prac, and then whatever I have left of this, and whatever I have in practical 2, which I'm meant to be doing tomorrow, but I didn't finish practical 1, because I'm like, how do you keep up with this? It's difficult to keep up with it. But I mean, I'm trying. So that's done now. So, we finished. Woo! Homework. Do you want to stop the oh, whoops. Hold on, let me close the... Let me close this first. What are you actually studying? My course itself is a Bachelor of Mathematics. The subtitle for it is Industrial and Applied Mathematics, but what I'm going into afterwards, I'm doing 3 years of this, and then I've got 2 years doing a Master of Teaching, so I'm training to become a maths teacher, but the courses that we have are, so first semester we had what? We had calculus, discrete maths, problem solving and programming, I think was the name of the course, yeah. What's the fourth one? What was the fourth one? Wow, how do I not remember this? I literally forgot one of my courses. Oh, it's because it was statistics.
Easily forgettable, very understandable.
Thank you. Wait, aren't you the one who's usually going on about how I shouldn't dislike statistics? Because I'm always like, I don't like statistics.
I never said that you should like statistics. I just said that statistics are very important. There's
Okay.
a huge difference between it being important and you needing to like it.
Oh, I swear you were going on about like liking it, cause like, oh, it's. I don't. Good. Okay. Fair. That's what it was. Yeah. And then this second semester we have linear algebra, calculus 2, object-oriented programming, which we're using Python for, and then data-driven web technology. So that's this. So that's the SQL that I did, and then now I'm doing HTML. So that's fun. My uni didn't have any specific maths careers, it kind of just merged into IT. It does feel like that this semester, but hearing others' experiences, or at least like just hearing your experience here, that like there's no math careers, it just merges into IT. That's interesting, and I suppose it makes sense, and that's why there's such a like large amount of IT associated with our mathematics. It makes me feel a little more like I can't. It makes more sense now, because the thing is, us math students, we all like simultaneously agree on like everything. It's so weird to like have a whole class that disagrees and everything. I can understand if it was just our friend group, but when you talk to anyone in the class, they're like, this programming is like screwing me over, or like all this yada yada, or statistics is bad. Like we all agree on it. It's so funny. It's so good though.
It's funny that your industrial math course is going over a crash course to web development. That seems a little... I don't know. If I was going to teach math students programming, I would start with something like Haskell, where you do that, you write math, and then the computer runs it.
Oh, I mean, we use MATLAB to like
MATLAB
process
is
stuff.
okay.
Yeah, none of us like MATLAB either. But like it's
if
something.
if you want to do some really useful extracurriculars, take a look at either Julia or Haskell. Both of those are programming languages that are explicitly for mathematicians and data science.
Fascinating. Yeah, data science is the other subtitle. But like most of us chose industrial and applied. So interesting.
Julia especially is getting really popular with statisticians and data scientists.
I might have to have a look then. Python School work with a language that was very similar to Python, which is Ruby. I've heard that they're fairly similar in aspect. I do enjoy using Python actually. Python's very fun. That's probably the most fun I've had so far with this programming nonsense. Python's just so nice to work with. It just makes sense. And it functions so nicely. Just nice. So actually, I've still got to do my Japanese practice, so I think I'm going to stick in the stream while I do this just so we can chat, which is nice as well. Oh, actually...
Japanese practice.
Yeah! Today is just a new set of kanji, so this one won't take long. Stream makes me feel very unsmart. It's okay, boo. All it is it's like, it's a specific subject area that like many of us in the stream are pursuing, and it doesn't mean that you necessarily have to know what's going on, because you could be pursuing something completely different. It's important to recognize that like, just because you're not understanding or pursuing the same thing, that you're like not smart or anything. Just means you have different desires, different goals, or just your level of education might be different as well. It all comes down to circumstance. Just believe in yourself and you will get wherever you want to be. That is the truth. So I'll have OBS open for chat, since most of the Japanese stuff I do is like on through my phone, like apps and stuff, so it's nice. Python Ruby is that there's an interactive terminal to play around. Oh, it's so good. It's so good because of all that. It's really nice. Yeah, the interactivity. I think that's a big thing. It just makes it feel so much more functional than like, again, when I'm creating a database, it's like, whew, I created a table. Great. I feel so accomplished. It's just... But yeah. Whereas the thing is, like, MATLAB uses a lot of the same concepts, but just the style and the syntax, I think, also just, I don't like it as much. I don't know what it is exactly. Like my friend said, it feels more like archaic, like, it feels old and outdated. And Python just, it's nice. It's true, absolutely. Just pursue what you'd like to do. I and many others will continue to support you regardless of what you do. That's what we're doing. Just supporting each other. It's Egg McMuffin time for Rex. Gotta love him. Alright. What have we got on the menu today? First I need to write the date. Oh, it was yesterday's date. Sometimes this happens. It's okay. Most of the people who see my stuff are not from Australia, so they can't complain about me doing it, like, technically on the next day. Shh, don't tell anyone. What's the 10th month? 14th day. Haven't used MATLAB at all, but I hear it has a very low ceiling. Like, it works fine for small things that underperforms easier on heavier stuff. Yeah, during, like, discrete maths we actually went through, what is it? What is it? I don't remember what it's called. Something, complexity. Computational complexity. That was interesting. Hearing about, like, you know, upper limits of programs if you end up overloading how many inputs you have, or rather, the inputs provide like 1 billion outputs and how long it'll take. It's interesting. Comparing other programs as a result of that too. Python's has a better choice in the long run. Noting that a lot of features that make Python nice also make it slower. I can understand that as well. Like, really, if you're making everything like more for user friendly and everything, then I guess the trade-off is that you'll spend less time coding and you'll end up making a program that is a bit... No, that's different though. I'm just thinking it from the perspective of the person like who's creating and running it, because then it would balance out, but for the user, not so much. It's interesting. First you being a Steve Bain in Smash Bros, honestly, that's pretty cool. I would support it. Regardless. Memeing or not. I would still support it, because it's just that good. Alright, what's this kanji? This one is water and past. That's the radicals. How can you pronounce it? Oh. Law, rule. Oh! Hey, I know this one. Bunpo grammar. Okay, in that case, I can use that as an example word. I don't have space because it's one of these days where I don't have space. Oh, hold on. Maybe if I rule this up correctly, I will. Let's see. 726, 19, 9.5, 16.5. That's where the line goes. Cool. You never meme? Yes, never. Never ever. Just like using the funny face. Nice. So this one goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not difficult kanji to write. And this is... Oh. And then this is bun, bo. Bun, ho, ho. What is it? Yes, grammar. Nice. Do 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 do. What's the next one? What is this? West woman. Your important essence main point. Is there a familiar word here? Your Your I have not heard of that word. Important, momentous, essential. Not sure if there's any good examples here for me to use just yet. Oh, this is interesting. This uses one of the kanji that I learned just the other day. Fuyo, non-business, of no use, waste products, unnecessary. Oh, that makes sense. That just negates it. Cool. Okay, well, I don't think I'll include an example for this one. It was stroke water. Okay. Nice. This one is your need main point essence. So this can also mean like the most important thing, I guess. Essence. Key to. Key to. Just seeing that in the definition, the meanings. Key to. Great. Makes so much sense. Let's see. What's this? Water and stand. As in pedestal stand, sort of thing. Reign, be at peace. To govern, to manage, to subdue. Osameru. Naoru, to be cured, to get well. Oh no, not more words that have the same reading and mean the same thing, but not. It's gross. Chi. Chi. So it can also mean healing. Rain. It can mean rain, as in like governing rain, or heal. They're like the opposite thing. Samaru, to be at peace, to lessen. Head out for now? Alright, thanks for popping in, Arcania. Poke me if you need something regarding the speedrun stuff, but yeah, hope you have a great rest of the day. G is used for politics and government. Civil administration. Man, which one do I use? I don't know which one is more commonly used. Let's use Jisho. Maybe it will give us more, like, it'll give us like useful combinations or something. Jisho. Okay. Shift, Windows, space. Alt, tilde. Osa. Meru. This one. Let's have a look at the kanji itself. Yeah, so this is this. Oh, doesn't have common words under the kanji itself? Oh, I thought it oh, on reading compounds. Here you go. Right. Kun reading. On reading compounds. Huh. So regardless of meaning, they can like cross anyway. That's annoying. I don't think any of them are like particularly more useful than the other. Right? I guess I can just learn this one. Osameru. To govern, to manage, or to subdue. What's mine in Japanese? Mine? Like mining like a Minecraft mine? As in like verb mine, or you know what? Let's just look this up. Oh, okay, mine. Can you search by English actually, or is this just Japanese search? No, that would just, it just assumes kana. Mine. Oh, mineral water. Can I look up like to mine? Toreru. Toreru. To be collected, gathered, harvested, or mined. Toreru. There you go. Yeah, there you go. I don't know what diamond is. Dia. Dia cute? Diamond cutie? I can see why they got it wrong. Dia ga, dia o toremasu. There you go. It's how to say I am mining diamonds. Or I will mine diamonds. Depending on the context. There you go. Nice, right? There you go, there's your answer. What was the reading for this again? Osameru. Oh. Ah, I wrote that so weirdly. Or sa me ru. To govern, manage, subdue. Okay, have to keep in mind that also means heal or whatever. Let's see what this one is. What even is this? I don't know how to describe this one. Oh, is this the kanji for naru? Oh, cool. Naru. So it actually has a kanji for it. Interesting. When is it used in kanji though? Say. Seiko, success or hit. Why is it hit? Kosei, kansei, completion, perfection, accomplishment. Interesting. Let's get perfect completion. Have I learned this one? No, this is 2 or 4. So I'm not there yet. Or I'm going to get there. Wait, this looks similar to like... Oh, I'm so confused. We'll see. Well. Usually written as kana, but knowing that this is also used, or this is the kanji for naru, maybe I should just learn it as naru. Yeah, let me change this as well. I'm extreme. Japanese practice. Piactus. Piactus. There you go. Let's update info. The kanji for osameru also reads as naus, which is also an important word. To heal or to fix. Yeah, here's the thing. See, I also just read that a moment ago, but here's my problem with it. It's one of those... like, this one. And this one. It's one of these problems, because it's the same as miru. Is it miru, or is it... Wait, where's the other ones? I don't know if this is right, but it's all the other ways you can write miru as well. To see, or to watch, or to inspect, or whatever it is. Like, there's just so many ways to say. They have this... same reading, and they have the same-ish meaning, which is annoying, because it's like a homophone, but it has the same meaning too, but it has different kanji, so it's like a slightly different nuances, and I don't know what they are, unless someone explains them to me. Like, I wouldn't know the difference between naos and naos. Like, that's annoying. I don't know what the nuance is there. I'm so fascinated. I love how kanji work. They're so complicated, also so much fun. No, I love them too. They're actually super cool part of the writing system. There's a lot to learn, but it feels really nice being able to read them and like having things flow properly. But then you have stuff like this, which can always throw you off, and it's like, what is the difference? I don't know what naos and naos is. Oh, maybe I can look it up. Naos. Oops. Verse. English, please. Verse. Naos. English. Hi, native. Repair and correct. This one means to cure. Okay, so even though this one has cure listed under it, it's technically this one used for cure. Yeah, Byoki or naos. Right. And there's kuruma or naos. So this one actually means repair and fix. This one actually means cure. Maybe they're interchangeable, but that's actually really... That's it. Okay, I don't know how to read this. This is too complicated. I can try. Wait, I don't remember what this is. Hold on. Rikai-kun, save my... Save the day. I don't remember this. This is what they use for Chigao, right? Oh, machiga. Ah, machiga. Motto ni modos. Machigae o tadashiku suru. I don't know what that phrase is meant to mean. Is it to correct an error? To itta imi desu. Wait, hold on. Wait, the difference is the same? Wait, the difference is right. Wait, the difference is right. I've heard the meaning. See, so this is like, I've heard the meaning is different. Or it is correct that the meaning is different. Well, I think. Or is it mistake? No, machigae is mistake, isn't it? Whereas chigao is just different. Oh my gosh. No, okay, I can't read this yet. Chien. Oh, yeah. Chiensu before Nate tells you. Yeah, it's I think the context makes it clear enough. And I think my verticality also makes it clear enough. It's probably not clear when I take a picture, but like when I read this here, like I can tell that there's a very clear difference in the angling between my shi, my tsu, my so, and my n. Like you can see it. It's fine. I'm sure it's fine. Japanese people haven't made fun of me for it. I don't know. I'll definitely keep it in mind though. One is for healing and the other's fixing. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Anyway, that's too difficult. What is this? Saigo. Oh, I've seen that before. Sai. Wait, Sai. Wait. Have I just learned this one? I did just learn this one. I learned this 2 days ago. I forgot it already. This one means the most extreme. It's take. Oh, can I not? But the upper radical is day, and the bottom radical is to take. So to take a day is the most extreme thing you can do. That's how you can remember that one. 100%. I always find that using the radicals to remember kanji is pretty useful. I like it. To itta, that was used to indicate the thing before was a definition. Thing is, they didn't use the kanji for iu, which is like confusing to me, but I guess. To clear things up. Indicate the thing before was a definition. It was a definition. Yeah, to itta. It was. I'm confused by this. Machigae o tadashiku suru. To correct. Oh, does this mean to correct an error? Can this mean to correct? To ascertain, to confirm, to verify, to make sure of, to inquire, to question. To correct, to rectify, to amend. That's called tadas. Tadas is to. Oh, yeah, tadashi can be to correct or to rectify as well. Maybe that's what it is. Matsugai o tashiku suru. Why is it ku form and then suru? I don't know. That's weird. But maybe the gist of it is that to correct the error. Well, maybe we got it. Means to correct a mistake. Oh, it does. Huh. Why would they use suru here? Rather than just saying todas. That's my question. Because I know when you're sequencing verbs, you put it in ku and then you add the next verb, right? Tadashiku suru. Like, yeah. Wait, no. That's when you're connecting adjectives, isn't it? No, that's with adjectives. No, I don't know what they're doing here then. Are they using the adjective? Right. Huh. So would they use the adjective and then they, since it's an adjective, they're putting suru to verbify the adjective. That's weird. I don't know why they would just say No, I enjoy this. Don't worry about it. I actually enjoy this discussion. I need this discussion to learn because it's funny. Most of the time when I'm talking to myself like this in a video game, I'm just talking to myself. You don't need to backseat my game. Or like when I'm solving a puzzle in something, right? Like I don't want people to jump in and tell me how to solve the puzzle because like it's an in-game puzzle. But for learning, I think for learning, 100%, tell me what stuff means because otherwise I'm going to ponder it for way too long. It's because it's using tadashi as as an adjective. Gotcha. See, that was my thing, because I was like, wouldn't they just use tadas verb? Because it makes more sense to verb, but then why would they make it so that they're using the adjective form, attaching it to the verb? Because I know as an adverb, you make it ku. You drop the e, you add ku, and then you do thing, like hayaku iku, right? Or hayaku ikimasu. Where you're saying, oh, I walked fast or quickly. But then it's like, why would you do it in that context? Why would to do it correctly? Is that what you're saying? Like it's an adverb in that case, like correctly to do. So to do correctly. It's weird. So the adjective suru means to make it the quality of the adjective. Right, so that's adverbing, right? Yeah. Okay. I just needed the word. I'd use tadashiku naru instead of suru. Naru makes sense because you're changing it, right? Rather than you're doing it. Like instead of you're doing it correctly, you're changing it to be correct. Adjectives secretly verbs in Japanese, but don't tell anyone. Of course. Okay, so that makes enough sense. Now I think I got that out. No, we don't have time for this. I need to sleep soonish. So let's get on to the next kanji. So this next one is the one that I was looking at, naru. Or the one that can mean naru. Hold on, where were we? Naru. But the kanji here actually, yeah, let's look at the page for it. Naru, but then it can be say. You got stuff like this. I'm not sure if I should specifically, I think just note it as naru for now. I'll learn the words that are associated with it, like when it comes to word listing, because I only need basic definitions for everything right now. That's how I learn. I learn the recognize the kanji and one basic definition for it. Then learn the readings in the context of what it's read as in a word. So I'm learning the reading for the kanji and the word at the same time. So it's like it knocks two things at once. But when I'm first approaching it, you don't want to like overwhelm yourself, right? So I just learn one basic meaning and like a reading for that. One basic reading and one basic meaning. Okay, naru. Let's write this. What is the stroke order for this thing? This looks like a mass. It's ni san. What? It's ni san. Yon go roku. Oh, that makes enough sense. Na. Do. To become. Good approach, thank you. I'm doing my best to like figure out how to learn effectively. Oh, this one is very weird. Hata. Loom. I wonder why this is a common one. Hata. Oops. Hata. Let's just see what comes up first. Is this the one? No, it's the one. It's one with tree in it. This looks like a mess as well. Oh, here it is. Loom mechanism. Oh, it means machine as well. Just generally. Huh. But by itself it means loom, which is interesting. If you have key. When I read it's key. Kikai means machine or mechanism. Oh, I'll just learn as loom for now. Hata. Oh, how many strokes are there in this one? What the heck? This top bit looks weird. Right, so we've got the tree, usual thing. Then you do the ito thread. So you do the two different threads. Then you do 1, 2. Small? Does it have small in it? What the heck? Wait. So then you draw this bit, and then you do this as like small, I guess. It looks like small. I mean, not small. Person. Yes, person. Hito. Right? And then you do the crossover thing. We're seeing that with like some of the kanji lately, hey? That like whole crossover thing. Like you do this one and then you stroke across here. And then there's like the dot that they put up top. This cross and the dot. Something I'm seeing a fair amount of. Huh, interesting. It's very weird. This one's gonna be hard to remember. What a mess. It's ni san yon go roku nana hatsu kyu chu 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 ni chu san chu yon chu go ju roku. And this is hata. What the heck? Which is loom. Okay. When you focus on learning the meanings of the kanji, it's easy to pick up later on when you see it next to another one, which word it might be. And then you learn to onyomi that way instead of just like memorizing. Yeah, 100%. Learning in context is one of the most powerful ways to learn. I agree. Like a lot of the words that I know now are just because, well, words as well. Like even if you've heard a word before, you'll be like, or if you've seen it around, you'll be like, oh, I've seen that before, I know what it means, or I know how it's read already, right? And it just boosts you up and it makes you feel so good for paying attention. I love it. But yeah, you hear it in context and you learn the reading for it. It's so good. And actually, yeah, that's the thing. Like, that's usually how you learn the onyomi for everything. Because it's used with words, whereas the kun, well, often is used for the word just by itself. Okay, let's see, what is the next one? They're not as much of a mess. No, this looks easy. So this one can be pronounced. So the thing is, usually I don't look it up on Jishu as well, but like since I'm doing it on stream, I may as well. Gives us a bit more to talk about. This one does not look difficult, so that's just power and mouth. So the kanji itself. So the initial definitions are just add, addition, increase, join. Join. Ka. Oga. Kuwaeru. 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 To add up some increase. It can mean inflict as well. Jeez, okay, I'm not gonna worry about that for now. It says here that it can mean inflict. But like no other words have that. Okay, that's fine. Oh, this is the kanji for Suzuku. Suzuku. Oh. Suzuku. What? Suzuku. Eh. Oh, this is... Wait. Wait. What the heck? Wait, I've never seen this before. Z. Eh? Wait. The kanji for Canada? Wait, the kanji for Canada. What is? Oh! Huh. Ka. Oh, is this why it's ka? Ka. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I've heard that most of the Japanese, like, the reason they use a specific kanji with the language just because it sounds like it, like eigo and stuff like that. It's funny. I appreciate that. Yeah, kanji for Spain is west. I know about that one. That's funny. I like that a lot. So, wait a minute. Tsuzuku. Can I, like... Tsuzuku. Z. It's the tsu, but with the, what is that called? Dakuten? What? I've never seen that before. Is this like a very specific case? Tsuzuku. Hold on. What if I read it? Tsuzuku. Tsuzuku. Is it not read that way? Hold on. What's z? Oh, it's a do. Really? I've never seen it. It must be very rare, right? Kanji for the cool people. Hello, RGP, by the way. Yeah, wow, that's... Z. DZU, or DU. It's for short. Z. A. Ku. Z. Ku. Is the pronunciation any different? Is it actually more like z? Does that sound different when I say it? Tsuzuku. It's like between what is it? I don't remember the two different things that. It's like with R, where it's like not technically where it's like a FU. It's FU or HU, but it's like in between an F and an H. So I think like who. Is it the same thing with this, where it's like it's not D, it's not Z, it's Z. That's so weird. Is it? I've seen D before, which is technically more correct, I guess, but it's confusing for me. Yeah, I don't know. I don't understand. So this is the one. This is the one I'm learning now. Wait, no, not that one. This one. No, I'm not looking at that. I don't want to look at that. So, the radicals there are using. So this is using sell thread. If you sell thread, you can continue. Whoa! I've seen this one around the place though, so I already know the context through context, which is nice. Okay, let's. It's Yo, go rock. No, 8、9、10、11。OK。2、2、9。To continue. So, transitively, or as an action verb, it's suzukeru. But intransitively, or as a state term, it's suzuku without the ke. Might have to keep that in mind. I think the pronunciation is different, but it's very subtle. Okay, interesting. Might be a dialect thing as well, because I know that some places also say hu more, and some places say fu more. So it's like, it might also just depend on region, I suppose. Have similar pronunciation, but with the former you have a slight D sound with it. Definitely a strange sound for an English speaker. I suppose so. But I guess that's the obstacle that I aim to get over. Like, I want to sound more natural, so I'm wondering if it depends on location and dialect, then I won't bother just yet anyway. Because then that's the same with who. Like, you don't know until you get there and you start talking to people and then you hear it more, depending on location. But like, it's just interesting to note that there might be a change in the way that people speak, as just slightly. Yeah, it's interesting though. Good stuff. Okay, let's see what's the next one. This one is... Oh, this is just... I don't like this. So, this is other hajime. Or haji. Haji. So what's the difference here? So this is more like fast, is it? Fast performance, beginning of the year, origin. So this is more like fast, and the other hajime is more like start. Is that correct? Because this hajime is beginning. Wait, no, but that's beginning. Beginning as in like start, right? This is more like early, fast. It's these two that I'm like question mark over right now. What do chat say? Because here hajimete is for the first time. And then you have hajime, which is like start. Hajimeru, rather. But that uses the other kanji, right? So is the difference fast and start? To begin with, first of all, beginning. Hajime ni. So first of all, rather than... Hajime has a very first meaning for me, this one. So this one is more like first. Whereas other hajime is more like beginning. As in like the start. I assume. First beginning. But then it's like other hajime. So what would the other one? I guess I can't tell from the I guess the romantic here. Since it is just the kanji that distinguishes them right now. Hajime, hajime there. Or I guess hajime hajimete is the difference there. But you can write it as hajime, apparently. I don't know, my phone says so right now. I'm just trying to figure out how do we, what's stroke order? So this is just spirit and cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that shouldn't be that small. Oh, whatever. It's fine. In my revision, I'll make sure it's bigger. Haji me. First time or beginning. What's the other hajime? This hajime. Oh, hajime. Oh, haji me hajimaru. Hajime. Oh, is this because this one is this one more like an action verb? So what most people call transitive. Is this the one where you're taking action? You're hajimarimasen something. Whereas the other one is used as hajime as in like first time or beginning thing where you're not in control, so it's intransitive or state verb. Is it? I don't know, I can't tell. Commence or begin. So this one's more like commence. This one's more like beginning. Question mark? Oh, early is represented by hayai, that makes sense. A hayai. I said that weirdly. Although this can mean first time question mark. And in this specific compound it says early summer. But I guess 4th month of the lunar calendar also is just more specific in that sense. First performance, beginning of the year, so it's more like fast, I guess. It's hard to say. Think fast. I'll write it as fast. Brackets, time. And then beginning. Okay, cool. Okay? Not okay. Oh, okay? No, not okay. Streamers make me feel very comfy. Well, I'm glad that's the case. Comfy streams are good streams. Okay, next kanji. We've got 3 more to go. Wait a minute, I didn't space this. Oh my gosh. I'm going to cry. I miscounted how many lines down I went, and now I have 6 on one line. I'm gonna have, or 6 on one side. I'm gonna have 4 on the other instead of 5 and 5. This is terrible. I made a grave mistake. What is this one? Ooh. That's interesting. Umu. It's the one with standing in it. No, is it not here? Oh, it's this one. Let's have a look and see what it's used or here. So, products bear, give birth, yield, childbirth, native property. So it can also mean... No. Okay, that's just the meaning then, I guess. It's also sun. Red is sun for giving, delivering from... It's used in... So there's stuff like inheritance, product, manufacture. Say some. Konbanwa. Hi, konbanwa. Jason-san. Finally got a comfy emote. This is pretty comfy emote. I like this one. This one's pretty comfy. I guess. See, umareru I know is to be born. Oh, but this is like the act of giving birth, whereas umareru is more like the baby is being born. Okay, guess that's the difference. Stroke order for this one though. So it's the stand part, and then it's the underneath bit, and it's life. You stand up, and underneath you have life. I wonder if this actually symbolizes that. Like you have the person not standing literally, but like them body and then life within. I know it's a weird thought, but the word in itself is literally that. maybe. That's actually a really interesting one to remember. Ooh. No. To give birth. Okay. Konbanwa. Baby making machine. Wait, hold on. Did I? Umukigai. What is this? Machine. Oh, this is literally using the kanji that we just learned. The key one for like mechanism, machine, loom. The second one we haven't seen, but like, that's funny. Umukigai, baby making machine. Anyway. This is probably derogatory, hey? Or more like, oh, no, it's famously used. Oh, it's used by this minister to refer to okay. Interesting. Hi, Nate. Good to see you too. Menko wado. I'm using an app on my phone called Kanji Tree. So I work through that to learn new kanji and use it to revise as well. Put together the 2 kanji and learn a word. It's so cool. Yay! Yeah, the definition. It's used by the Health, Labour and Welfare Minister Yanagisawa Hakuo to refer to. Yeah, I don't know about that. We can put 2 of the kanji together. I don't know what this last one is though. We've never seen this one before. Contraption, fetter, machine, instrument. It's a grade 4 kanji as well, really. So I assume we're gonna come across that one as well later on. I totally look forward to it. Anyway, I'm going to move on. Oh, we've got 1 kanji left for today. Where are we? Oh, this one's easy. What? Let's have a look here. Well, it's written very easily. Tomo. This is apparently Tomo. So this means together. Appearing together, mutual prosperity. Co-acting, co-starring together at the same time. Tomo ni. So this must be a phrase then. Hey, tomo ni. Together at the same time. Both. Okay. How do you say that then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tomo. Together. Both. With a negative verb it can also mean neither. There you go. There you go, guys. And that's the Japanese practice for today too. But we call it baby making machine. Yoshi's an egg making machine. Perhaps that's one way to say it. Maybe. Ohiyo gomasu. Nice. I'm scared too. It's okay. We can think about tomo. It means together. It's nice, isn't it? And we have lip steam in the background too. Alright. I'm still annoyed that I did 6 on one side and 4 on the other by accident instead of 5 and 5 like I usually do, but whatever. What can you do? Sometimes you just have to suffer a little. How long is my break tomorrow again? Is this like 2 hours? I'm gonna check this. I think for like 2 1-hour breaks, is it? Or is it not? Hold on. I'm gonna check this. It's 11 to 1. Oh yeah, that's right. 11 to 1, 1 to 3, but that class usually only goes for an hour, so it's usually like 1 to 2, Then you get the 2. It's meant to be a 1 hour break, but then it's sometimes 2 hours because of it. 11 to 1, 1 to 2, 4 to 6, or 1 to 3, 4 to 6. So it's 1 hour break, but it could be 2. We'll just have to see how that tutorial goes. Okay, time to take a picture and upload. Oh, that's cut off. Let's not use that photo. Let's try this again. There we go, that's better. What Japanese practice day is it? Day 158. You know, I might consider doing the Japanese practice on stream a little more often now. Lets us converse a little bit about what I'm learning. And, you know, we can learn together, talk for a bit. Chill, it's nice. Alright. Give me a moment. Alright, and the Japanese practice stuff is, or has been, uploaded. Yatta! Joyous day. Da-da-da. Nice. Alright, with that sorted. Wait, did I do it yet? No, I haven't done it yet. I created the event page for the EPPC monthly, but I haven't made the announcement yet. Oops, I need to do that right now. Okay, hold on. So with that, tomo means together, but it's not the kanji used in tomodachi. Hold on, let's check out what the tomodachi one is all about. Oh, that's anti, isn't it? Anti? No, it's dachi. It's the dachi part that I don't know yet. Hold on. Jisho, save me. Yeah. I don't know the dachi part yet. Accomplished, reach, arrive right? So this is just friend. So that's just friend reading Tomo. But Tachi, let's have a look. Because I don't know this one. This is a grade 4, so we're going to learn this one as well soon enough. So this one's just... What does this even use? It uses advance, like, towards... what is it? Ground and sheep. Huh. The sheep approaches the ground because it is accomplished. Or reaches the ground. There you go. It advances the ground, it reaches there you go. Nice. We're using tomodachi. Very interesting. Wait, hold on a minute. I think I missed something here. What is this? What is this? Is this kanji? Oh, yeah, it was blurred. It's a bit blurry. Kanji だね。Yoshi 君に。には。Shouldn't I know this one? Day. Okay. Is this? No, I don't think I know this by itself. Hold on. Do I? No, okay, I don't know this one. Eki. Easy. Ready to simple. Wait, hold on. This is a grade 5 kanji. This is not something I should know. Never mind. Oh, this is used for yasashi. Oh, I know the word yasashi, though. Yasui, yes, I know these words. I just don't know the kanji for it yet. Okay. Yasashi. Muzukashi. What's like somewhat? Kekko muzukashi. There you go. Forgive me if I'm not down for this monthly. Nah, you're just not up for it. That's okay too. Okay, let's go to the... view event. Oh, one person signed up, thank you. Oh, it's Bruno! It's Bruno! Bruno! Nice. Love you, Bruno. How did you even find out about this? Is it because I just mentioned it? I haven't even announced it yet. What the heck? Tomoni is concepted together while Tomodachi is... Yeah, I just saw Tomoni earlier as well. It's like together with some... Yeah, I was thinking that's together with a person. Happiness and walk? Oh, siawase. I've heard siawase. Yeah, as like happiness, but like really intense happiness, like lifelong happiness. Looks very similar? Yeah, similar. Oh, on TV, that's so cool. Jane earlier today when I came back from lunch, I appreciate you being so epic. Thank you for being epic. Okay, so where's my display capture? Because when I get onto the... I need to get onto this, the what do you call it account? Puya Nexus. Okay, we don't need... You don't need to see anything, you can just listen. This theme is so good. Hold on. Where's my access to the... Am I crazy? Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, they just did the announcement thing for Lemras. Hey, Puyo official, nice. I'm gonna like that on my main account, not this one. Okay, compose tweet. Do 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 do. The next Puyo monthly is happening on the 18th, right? 15th is Thursday, 16, 17. Is it 17th? Hold on. Because I think it's 19th for me, but obviously it's 18th for... No, it's 18th for me, so it's 17th for everyone else. Okay. The 17th of October, 2020. That's this Saturday. It starts at 1600 UTC. So 1600 UTC. Sign up for whatever skill bracket you fall into here. Well, whichever. More Mod 3 music though, solid. This Saturday is let's say 600 UTC. You can sign up for whichever skill you fall into here. Okay, looks good. Oh, add images of course. Gotta add the our logo. Where is it? Pictures. EPPC monthlies. Pick. Epic. And then I gotta retweet this on my main account. Epic. Yoshi君の日本語上手だね。ちょっと。Thank you for being cool too. Thank you all for being epic. What theme is this? The earlier one? Duster's theme. What is it called? Mind of a Thief. Chapter 2 theme. Right? Duster's theme is chapter 2, isn't it? Yes. No. I don't have 2 accounts myself. Not yet anyway. It's my account and the Puyo Nexus account. Not Puyo Nexus, sorry. The EPPC, the English Puyo Community Discord. Anyway, everyone go retweet it because it's important. It's so cute. I love it so much. Tucker made it. Alright. All sorted now, at last. I think everything is sorted for now. Except the Puyo guide. I've got to work on that more soon. But we'll get to it. We sure will. What do you mean yet? I mean, maybe eventually there's going to be an account for art? Question mark? Not my own. Commissioned art, maybe. Or maybe I'll just make a photo affinity for that. I'll cross that bridge when I get there. Gonna head out now? Good timing, me too. I've got to go get some rest now. But I would like to thank you all for joining me today. It's been a really nice chill stream, and honestly, I don't mind that we didn't get to play anything today. It was a good learning experience. Just, well, both for my homework and for this Japanese practice and everything. Again, I might consider doing more Japanese practice on stream, especially the longer sessions. What art? Oh, commissioned art. Whenever I get around to commissioning stuff, which will be next year, when I set up like a PayPal and everything. So yeah. Thanks for popping in today though, Bruno. Hope you have a great rest of the day. And to the rest of you guys too here. Thank you for being epic. Thanks for sticking around. It's been a jolly good time. Tomorrow I should be back with more Pokemon Rouge Dungeon Rescue Team DX. Where we're gonna be continuing to run Purity Forest. So we're gonna do our best when we get there. Is it gonna go well? You'll just have to wait and see. I appreciate the follow. Thank you, Captain Random. Seal as well, 2 minutes ago. Don't know how I didn't catch that, but I thank you for the follow too. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or, around the place before then, perhaps. They'll be on a separate account so that, all of the art's in the same place. Obviously, that's the only reason why that could be the case. Right? Right? Yeah, stream is ending now. So yeah, I'll catch you guys around. Oh, hold on, let's go look for a host. Someone to host, someone to raid. I wonder if there's any other comfy streams at the moment. Ooh, ouch, my FPS just dropped a whole bunch on my stream apparently. When I open Chrome. Always happens though. No one. No follow channels. Anyone playing Puyo? Otsukare-sama, otsukare-sama. To all of you too. Boo, no you. Categories. Puyo Tetris. Anyone? No, it doesn't look like anyone in particular. Alright, that's alright. I'll see you guys around tomorrow though. For now though, as always, hope you all enjoyed today's stream. It was a good time. I think I'll do another one of these soon because I'm not going to finish Practical 2 in time. There's no way. So I'll probably do that on like Friday or over the weekend. So I'll see you guys then. Or, well, for that in particular, but yeah, we'll do the PMD tomorrow. For now though, as always, so Spoo, of course. Solution to everything. Alright. As always, for you guys, hope you all have a great rest of the day or night. I love you guys, and I'll see you all next time. Good night.